Oh, good morning, YouTubers. We've come down to the Shapes farm to get a beehive out of a lemon tree, bush lemon. We'll go through and get it all sorted out. It's not something you see every day. There's plenty of bees. I'm going to vac them up and we'll go from there. Definitely not working. Okay, we're going to have to go old school. The vacuum pipe, something wrong with it. It's not letting me suck the bees up right.
Oh, damn. What was that?
Oh, just in the chair.
Just in the, yeah.
What did I tell you about putting the things in the sink? I guess it's all done, eh? Finished now. Give you an update when I have a look at it and sort it out at home. Good afternoon, YouTubers. Here just check on this bee colony. It's the next day, late in the afternoon. I'm guessing they won't be real happy with me. There should be a mob of bees in here. I'm going to put a feeder on them and we'll go from there. See how we go. Yes, there's a mob of bees. Didn't want to disturb them yesterday afternoon. I wanted to settle down and get stuck into business, preparing their colony. Put bands on the frames. Already drawing it out and everything. Oh, that's the queen. So we did get the queen. Be coming in now. Put the lid on. That'll do. Alright, thanks for watching and we'll talk to you soon. See you now.